Hey guys, welcome back to this week video. I decided to do an intro just to welcome the new subscribers on board and to also thank the people who have been supporting my video, liking my video, sharing and commenting. When you do that, it helps boost my videos and also encourage me to keep doing what I do. So on this week video, I am doing a simple TV stand that I did. I will try and share the measurement in the description below and try and explain as we go as much as I can. So yeah, welcome, karibu on board. Before you leave, kindly also remember to subscribe. Thank you. So this is Regina voiceover and karibu sana. So I'm using a plywood sheet. It's not the best. I figured later on that it's not the best, but I'm sticking the pieces together using glue and nails. So the whole TV stand is how many inches? The whole TV stand is 40 inch by 12 inch and 10 inch by 12 for the sides, and for the height, the whole height after it's all done is 19 inches. That is if you may want the measurement. So just fixing the skeletal part, this is the easiest part, so I will leave you to follow along and explain as we go. The small pieces are for partitioning. I was not sure if I really wanted it to be partitioned, but it was just a by the way thing. So yeah, I did not use the screws. The screw was just to hold it together as the glue work is thin. But I later realized that the glue that I was using was already expired, so that's why it was not working as expected. To cover the back part, I'm using a plywood sheet. So you can decide to cut the actual size before nail it down before you attach it, or you can do what I did. This was not the best solution, but I do what I have to do. So I decided first to attach it, then I remove the excess part. For me that will work easily, because if I try and cut it equal kando, it normally comes crooked. So this is all my solution as per now. For the legs, I'm using these legs I bought at Kikomba. Yes, so I'm doing 4 inch from the sides and 4 inch from the other side, 1 inch from the front, so that you may not see it, but it is very visible. I'm using the normal screws to attach the legs to the kinda TV stand, to the halfway done TV stand. So as I said earlier, I'm just doing the whole thing without putting much details. Then when I'm done, I may try to rectify here and there. Hey guys, so I decided that I should do a quick update on what's happening. So I'm still in the process of making the TV stand and 3/4 done, and I'm thinking I kinda picked the wrong wood to work with. Hii yenye nilichukua, just a few mistake and mbao imeharibika, like, and the fact that I don't have a sander to line things up, I'm just stressed kabisa. So I'm hoping by tomorrow morning I'll have a good solution on what to do, because baby girl, I'm tired. I don't know what to do with it, and the fact that siezi itupa, I need to finish. I started, I need to finish. So let's hope tomorrow it will be, nitalala nifikirie something good, but for now let me show you what I mean. So this is what I mean. Naona hii ikisha chip hivi, like I can't fix it again. Ime happen hapa. I tried cleaning it, so nimeenda kuharibu even worse, but overall I think it's okay. Yeah, so tomorrow I might come up with an idea on how to fix that, but in the meantime, and if I decide to go and paint it, easy zitaonekana, like zitakuwa very visible, and I've also injured my finger nikijaribu kutoa. So yeah, that's the update. Sometimes you pick the wrong material, but you have to believe in yourself that utamaliza. Okay, I'm just trying to convince myself limalize. See you tomorrow as tukimalizia. I have this plywood. I think I should put initially the plan was not to put a door, it was to be an open TV stand that I put some basket na hiyo story inaisha, but because of the way the mbao is behaving, I need to cover that because I'm not going to throw this thing away. I need to finish. This is a piece of plywood that I had earlier, ilikuwa hapo nje kwangu imenyeshewa but ijaribika, so it's going to work. So to put the hinge, I'm going to remove a small part here ndio kaingie, at least ikwe on a flat surface, if you know what I mean. Yes, so just a small one ingie ndani, then we do the door. So far so good. So that's how the door looks like. Now we are heading somewhere. But this one only God can help here. But we will cover that, so I'm not so much worried about the the mbao inside because I've decided to put doors. So in future I may revisit and do something different, but for now this is what is working and it's going to stay like that. Yeah, that is what I mean. So nikikaweka kataingia, so na kameingia ndani. Yeah, so let's drill first, then put the second door. So this is not the best hinge to work with because it needs now a stopper because the door iwezi jilock yenyewe, but this is what I had in the house, so this is what I had to use. If you want, you can use the other type of hinge that is very good. I have this door magnet catch, so I'm going to put them here. To be honest, I don't know how to fix this one. There's so many parts. I have tried Googling, but nothing is working. I've decided I'm going to do it my own way, the way I know how. As long as it's working, I don't have to fix it. So now, it comes in so many parts. Especially this part, me, I don't know where I'm supposed to use it. So we are going to do this. We are going to fix it the only way we know how. Google is not helping. So it comes in 4 parts like this. Sasa hizi sijui ni za wapi and I'm not going to use them. So that in future if I find out how I'm supposed to use them, I will fix it. But for now, acha tuseme you're just going to use the 2 parts. I drill kidogo here. This is not the right way to do it, lakini because I don't know how to fix it, like the way it is designed to be fixed, I'm just going to do my own thing as long as it is working. I should have. Yep. That part is done. So now we are just going to do, I'm going to do the finishing, the finished parts, like painting, maybe staining, and final design. Yep. And yep, yeah, the door is giving here. The legs are legging, and I'm happy with it. I'm actually really proud of myself. Apart from the knob, I did a good job. I did a good job. I did a good job. Who did a good job? I did a good job. So I'm going to remove the doors again so I can stain them. Then, I'm going to sand it down. Then do the first coat of paint. I'm thinking of painting it white, then I stain the doors. Yeah. you have watched up to this far, thank you so much. Remember to subscribe. You can also follow me on my Instagram so that we can be able to interact in more, and if you have any question I can answer you there. So yeah, this is a white undercoat, so if you're ever going to paint anything, I recommend you to get these small rollers. They are lifesaver. If you are going to use brushes, it may take a while to maliza, and because of the brush stroke and everything, but roller work perfectly. So I'm going in with the brush to fix the places the roller could not. And because I'm not done with painting, so I'm going to store this in this bag. Then tomorrow, because I need to dry it to dry kabisa. Tomorrow ndakuja nitoe bila kuosha. Then ile siku namaliza ndo nitaosha. This is just a way to store them in such a way that hazitakauka. For the doors, I'm going to use this mbao. If you live in a rental, you know hizi ndio zinaekangwa kwa ukuta so that you can hang something. So I'm going to cut them in size if it hapa. Then I will stain them. Instead of painting, I will want to paint the door. That's the idea. Let's hope it works. So I'm going to cut all of them the same size. That is 10.5 inch. 10.5 inch. If you really don't have a jigsaw, you can use a handsaw, a blade. It works perfect, but jigsaw works really fast, so I prefer to use that. So for my pieces, I'm going just to sand them at the edges ndio zikuwe fine vizuri. When I say normal glue, I mean normal glue. The first glue that I was using was already expired, so I had to go and buy another one. Yeah. So this one works. In 15 minutes, it should be okay. I was thinking of just applying the glue, then sticking, then I realized the glue is drying kidogo, so I had to apply as I stick, apply as I stick. Yeah. If you have really watched up to this far, thank you so much. Like this video, comment, let me know what you think. So I left everything to dry overnight so that in the morning I can go in and do the final and the second and the final coat, and I did that. So after everything is assembled, I was really happy with the result. This was not my initial design, but I'm happy I went with the flow. So sometimes you just have to trust your guts and hope things will work out. I know the mbao was not the best to begin with, but so far so good. Thank you so much for watching up to this far. I really hope you have subscribed, like this video, comment, share. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok. I'm all over the social media. So yeah, see you in the next video, and bye.